I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and today I have a fun scarf movement activity for the Dance of the Sugarplum Fairies by Tchaikovsky from the Nutcracker Ballet. Let's get started. In this activity, I have divided the song into A, B, C, D, E sections. And we're going to do a specific action for each of those sections. And this is going to help our students with form, patterns, and we're going to do movement that's up and down and across and around and over our head. So there'll be lots of good movement as well as learning about musical form and all the while listening to a beautiful piece of music by a famous composer. I'm going to go through each action in the song and then I'll show you how the whole thing works together at the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips channel, I hope that you'll do that right now. Just click that red button and hit the bell so you get the weekly notifications on the new activities that I'll be putting out for you. The first section is A, and on the A section we're going to bounce. Just a nice easy bounce on the beat. I'm going to use 8 bounces and it's a slow beat, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and so forth, 8 times. Then the A section repeats. So then we're going to bounce again 8 times. The next section is B, and we're going to do a crisscross movement. And we want to make sure we can show our students. Let's draw a line down the middle of our body, and let's make sure we cross over like this. And each movement is going to count as 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, and so forth. The next section, C, is a high to low movement. And we want to encourage your students to go way up high and then bend down low and go way down low. The next action is D, and it's what I call a zigzag. And we're going to start low and work our way up. So we're going to zig, zag, zig, zag. It's sharper than the crisscross is round, and this is zigging and zagging. Part of the D section is also doing an easy wave, wave to the right, wave to the left, and then we repeat the D section. The E action is the opposite. We're going to go low to high, and then at the end of the E section, we're going to do a swirl around our head, or you can have them do a swirl here. Those are the main actions of all the different parts. Now let's get to the form and the pattern of all of those actions. The complete form pattern of the way I've organized this is A, B, A, C, D, D, E. Then it's A, B, A, C, and at the very end, we're going to do a short toss of the scarf. If you want to get these posters I've created with all the actions and instructions, you can go to the Sing, Play, Create resource library, subscribe to our website freebies, and in there's over 125 free resources that you can use in your music and movement classes, and this is one of them. Such a fun scarf activity, especially for our little kindergartners and first graders, even preschoolers, I think could follow along if you keep the movement simple and take your time. If they can't quite get it, that's okay. Just repeat each action separately, and then you can put smaller actions together. For example, just put the A together with the B and have them practice. Now I'm going to share how to do the song with the music. I hope this activity will be fun for your students in your classroom during the month of December. Don't forget, Sing, Play, Create has lots of scarf movement activities, as you can see here. We've got them for products in our TPT store and on the website, and also on our Sing, Play, Create Kids music channel. You can turn those on and have some fun scarf movement activities in your classroom every day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will, and I appreciate you, and I hope your December music classes go smoothly using these activities. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.